This guide provides detailed instructions on how to use secrets in a BlazeMeter performance test. Secrets are managed at a workspace level, and we will show how to create a secret and also how to use it in a test. Click the cog button to navigate to the management screen. Navigate to the Workspace section. Access the Secrets tab. Click Add Secret to add a new secret. Enter the name of the secret. The name of the secret is used to reference the value of the secret in the test, and can also be used to mask the secret value if found in the UI and logs. Fill in the text box with the value of the secret. The description field can be used to describe the secret being created. Click to create the secret. Let's add another secret. Enter the name of the secret. We will use this secret to mask the value of the hostname used in the development environment. Type dev_environment in the secret name field. Enter the value of the hostname to be associated with this secret. Write development environment server name in the description field. Create the secret. Secrets can be edited by clicking on the pencil icon associated with the secret. The secret value and description can be edited. We will now navigate to the home screen and incorporate the newly created secrets in our tests. Select the sample load test. Access the configuration settings. Navigate to the Secrets section and toggle the setting to enable secrets on this test. Use the secret selector to enable the secrets required for this particular test. We are going to select the dev environment secret we created previously. Initiate running the test. The test has completed, and we will review the errors section of the test results screen. Expand the check balance label of the test to review the error. Wherever the hostname that was entered as the development environment secret is seen or written to a log, the value is masked. We will now modify the test to use the password that was defined as a secret. We are now looking at a torus test and have added the following parameter to the URL being called and added it to the name of the label. The parameter is __pbzm_secret_secret name. This same parameter can be used in other tests such as JMeter. If we scroll down in the test, the Secrets panel now shows any secrets defined in the test. We have now run the test using the secret. When the test ran previously, there were 100% failure. Now the step requiring the password is passing. Navigate to the Request Stats section of the test results. We are going to use the filter to only show the label associated with the step that used the secret password. In the filter screen, we can see that the value of the password used in the test is masked. Select the Apply button. We can see that the value of the password used in the test is masked, as well as being used in the URL request used in the test. This guide covered using secrets in BlazeMeter, including adding, managing, and utilizing secrets in performance tests.